Fia, the leader in custom fit. For more than 30 years, Fia has been engineering custom-fit seat covers that form exactly to your seat. With its Super Grip installation technology, your cover is easily installed and locked into place, preventing any movement. To ensure an exact fit before being released, all seat covers are vehicle tested by our team of design technicians, which will assure your cover will fit exactly to your seat. The Super Grip system incorporates a form-fitting trim fabric that molds the cover to your seat, a belt and buckle fastening system that locks the cushion covers into place, and Velcro fasteners to secure the backrest, all resulting in a factory-like installation. Where required, Fia's covers feature side airbag provisions, and for more on how this works, check out our airbag video. Custom console covers, custom headrest covers, and custom seatbelt openings. To assure you years of enjoyment, all seat covers are UV resistant and made from high-grade, wear-resistant OEM fabrics. And each cover is warranted for materials and workmanship. For a dynamic state-of-the-art interior for your truck, choose one of these custom-fit seat covers. The Seat Protector, a commercial-grade poly cotton. The Wrangler, an original saddle blanket, available in both traditional and solid colors. The OE, a contemporary tweed look. The Leatherlight, a soft-touch simulated leather. Or the Neo, a waterproof neoprene. Also, Fia has a semi-custom fit car seat cover program. Choose from one of these vehicle-tested form-fitting seat covers. The Seat Protector, a commercial-grade poly cotton. The Wrangler, a heavy-duty polypropylene. Or the OE, a contemporary tweed. Fia, a name you can count on for quality, innovation, design, and fit.